Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delayed account on ChatGPT. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about ChatGPT. In this page of app, on for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT. If you find update, you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.